Hello everyone! On today's episode we're going on a walk in a nice geothermal park in Rotorua named
Hell's Gate.
Indeed, Hell's Gate. This is it. An extraordinary place with steaming lakes, mud pools, fumaroles, a mud volcano and even a hot waterfall. I'm presenting this video to my lovely wife who just joined. Hello baby!
Hello!
Hello, well, and tomorrow when we go to a different park, you will exceptionally take over my editing duties and you'll present your video to me, right?
Oh, can't wait for that.
I thought so, but first things first, let's go back to today. Baby, I'm going to release some nice calming images on you to relax you, to indulge you in the beautiful nature of this park. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1.
Bang, bang! Bang, bang! Fire the fire!
Oh my god! That's
Okay.
craziness.
Now you're actually ready to be calmed down. First I had to disturb you, right?
Yeah, sure, if you say it like that, it makes sense.
Okay, then let's now continue.
Okay.
You like this music more? It accompanies
For
the
now,
bubbling,
for
what
now,
we see
for
here.
now.
Yeah. and you like them.
I was paralyzed, I think.
And then, yeah, some nice mud.
Wow.
Let it sink in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, breathe it in. Oh, baby, it's a bit
So-
weird here. This must be, let's say it, the gateway to hell. Yes. And Hell's Gate is pointing inside your skirt here on this picture. That's weird, but okay.
Beautiful tree.
Yeah, we also had trees, that's
yeah.
right.
Kakai. A hot waterfall in the middle of a nice forest. That's silly.
Medicine Lake, yes, because then we saw Medicine Lake and it was necessary, baby, because...
Oh, I was bitten by mosquitoes.
Oh yes, and then your
Yeah.
superhero husband came to the rescue. I put my fingers in.
Oh yeah, that was needed.
Yeah, and you were happy. And there was a bird also.
Whoa.
Impressive, impressive. You were very happy to take a picture with me, it seems, here also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Always. Here we go. Yes.
Bubbly, bubbling.
There's something about it that I like, I have to say.
Oh yeah, I wonder what that is. Okay, I'll do it later again today. And here, what you were explaining a lot of things also. Let's listen to what you were saying here. pH of 6.2. Thank you for that necessary information, baby.
Yeah.
That's good to know that these fumes have a
Everyone
pH of...
has been wondering that. I think.
Yes, exactly, exactly. Oh, little photo shoot.
Yeah.
Veronica's secret. Bram's secret.
Good.
Yeah.
Always being very stylish.
Oh, there, the cones.
Yes.
In New Zealand on the road there are cones everywhere, right baby? It's crazy and they are now
Yeah.
even here.
Bloop. Yeah.
I think you didn't approve this. What's that? Yeah, it was a bit smelly. After a while the problem started. I mean, we were there for an hour already. You see your face got all crampy because of all the fumes.
We're getting more saturated. Oh my god.
But the most important thing, are you being relaxed, baby? Here, a mud volcano.
Ooh. Yeah, that's very relaxing. I just expect some mud to come out now.
Well, the mud didn't show up, but other people did. Yeah, as it got more busy in the park, we went for a healthy mud bath from that medicine lake. Yeah, no picture, sorry, just stock images. And afterwards, we visited some parks in Rotorua City.
Ah, yes,
Yeah,
that
because
was
that
nice.
also happened with some other music now. Oh yeah, very relaxing.
Oh, yeah. This
Yeah, and
is
here we
stuff.
have some nice statues. Yeah, very sexy one, and then this. And even in Rotorua City, we found a lot of these special pools, and still beautiful Veronica.
Some vegetables there.
Yeah, and then we went for some beers, and I thought that that's a good transition moment to also show the breakfast. This is morning food.
That was good morning food, yes.
Yeah, fries and steak.
This still in the morning? No, not anymore.
It could have been, but it was in the evening. And do you remember, baby, when then we went to this nice lake?
Yeah, that was very calming also. Well, the storm was coming, but
Deep in our hearts, there was peace. Huh?
yes.
Oh yeah,
Oh, a bird.
the bird. And I edited in something special there for you, baby. Here it comes. It's the planes on the water.
Ah!
And here they are. Oh yeah,
The
yeah.
swans!
Here we found these nice two.
Black swans.
Let's call them Jack and Rosalind. Yeah, a lovely couple. But what? Oh my God, no!
Ah,
Jack,
But no,
Jack, don't let go. What's happening? Oh my God, baby. Rosalind is alone.
Oh, poor Rosalind. Oh no.
Oh, that is. But there is somebody else coming to comfort Rosalind. What's her reaction?
Rosalind doesn't care. She's mourning Jack, of course.
No, morning, Jack. So bye bye, sweet other bird.
Yeah.
It's
no,
a bit sad, huh?
that is very sad.
Plot twist! Baby, there we have Jack again. Yeah, okay. Actually, I just performed the magic editing trick. Real magic, just like Hell's Gate. So, are you relaxed now, baby?
I'm so relaxed.
Okay, well, looking forward to tomorrow when you will edit the episode.